crafted with durable materials, built to withstand the most intense battles or your dumbass friends or whatever you got. Or for adults.
Also, as an Amazon seller, you want to be as entertaining as possible because to those customers who actually read the bullet points, you really want to be. All right. Welcome back to our channel. Another day, another listing optimization. And we got here our team member, Joel. How you doing, Joel?
Doing well, man. Good to be back. Been a while.
Feels like it's been a while. Yeah, so you're still based in Phuket, right?
Yep, still in Phuket, surviving and thriving.
Enjoying. Oh yeah, but you can't complain there, right?
Nah, I'm good. Beach, sunny weather, pretty chill.
It's nice. And by the way, guys, if you're coming to Thailand, make sure that you join the next event in Chiang Mai, the Cross-Border Summit. We will be there. So what do we have here today, Joel?
So today we have a toy foam blaster, aka a Nerf gun, as most people know. That's how good a Nerf gun is. They've kind of taken over that market with just their brand name. So yeah, toy foam blaster, if you remember. I don't know, I used them as a kid. Too much fun shooting with your friends, or let up your little Legos or army men and shoot them, just kind of run around the neighborhood causing havoc with Nerf guns.
Yeah, I think those guns were forbidden where I used to live. Like my mom was forbidding us from playing with them. But then we had some other one. They were playing with those compressed air. They were even stronger.
Oh yeah, airsoft guns.
Airsoft gun. Yeah,
yeah. Because I got like some of them have CO2 cartridges, so you can put them, and then you got a little BB flying 1,000,000 miles an hour, taking a little kid out. So little kids, yeah.
Nice.
Adults, teens, but yeah.
So let's see what we have here. Run us through the competitors and the master keyword list. Let's see what we have here. So guys, we're using Data Dive. If you don't know Data Dive, it's an amazing tool for optimizing listings. It puts everything in front of you, your competitors, the information about your competitors, the keywords that you might want to use, the most important keywords. It gives you a score, the ranking juice that you have to consider when optimizing your listing. So we are starting to re-optimize this listing, and we will show you just how we do it very quickly. It's going to take less than 20 minutes. Let's go.
Yep. So I had 20 competitors. I put them in my Asian tray, and this is what I got once your MKL is created. So these are the competitor breakdown. Basically gives you all the information you need, how much keywords they're using, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm going to say who's number one. That's kind of who I look, who's got the best, maybe, or at least for keywords, page one, Generis. Here we go with these brand names I cannot pronounce again. He's got 88% of the keywords on page one. His search volume page one is a little low, but it's still the highest. Looks like over here, J, column J, Herringback. He's got 63% of the search volume on page one. So these are kind of the top guys. Zoom out, and in the bottom here, you can see far left side, you got all the keywords, and you can see what competitor is using those keywords. And there's a lot of green going on. So,
oh, by the way, guys, if you don't know how Data Dive works, we have made a video with a tutorial on how to use Data Dive step by step, dumb proof, very easy to understand, very easy to use Data Dive. So check this video out. It's going to be down in the description as well, or it will appear somewhere here. So don't miss that video so you can understand actually how to use Data Dive step by step.
Yeah, so the keywords, as you can see, I added some outlier keywords. You'll see on this tab over here. So gun, toy gun, kind of basic, generic, but it'll get your rank juice up. And then Orbi gun, Orbeez. I thought this was a brand name. As you'll see, this guy, Orbeez gun. I mean, he put it into his brand name, but I Googled it, and it's a type of gun, like for the gels, these little gel balls you put in the gun, and it's called an Orbeez gun. So that was interesting because it's got a real high ranking juice, and I was going to exclude it, but I kept it because it's actually a term. But those guys are just smart. They added it into their brand name so they can get that sweet SEO. So the main ones seem to be Gel Blaster, and Foam Blaster. So as a Nerf gun, as you know, they got the little foam bullets, and you have these little gel water bead, supposed to be safe bullets. So for my variation, I'm combining them. So I kept all the keywords. But yeah, as you can see, you have hundreds of keywords to go through. I got 267. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Let's take a look at the bottom of the title. Let's see how our current listing is doing against our competitors. And then we're going to optimize the listing by adding a lot of good keywords.
I'm going to go to Listing Builder first. But yeah, let's blast off. Got a sad little title here to start off with. But yeah,
I would say this is like a very common, not so well optimized title. A title that we would find in your average Amazon listing that is not being really optimized, using any kind of tool or doing any kind of research, not really paying so much attention into the keyword that you have to put into your listing. So let's see. Now, this is the interesting thing of the battle of the titles. It actually really puts you in front of your competitors and compares the two, you against all of your competitors. So let's see how good or bad we're doing there.
Yeah. So what I have is XYZ brand toy gun. That was the big one. Foam toy gun. And then I just have gifts for birthday parties, blah, 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 kind of uses. And then, yeah, let's see how we stack up and battle the titles. We got 1 million. Normally that's a pretty good score, but this category has a lot of high ranking juice. These guys are, he's under 1 million. But then this guy, 5 million ranking juice. So we got to knock him off. He's
wow.
Zanzibar. Izoki. Zanzibar. Yeah. Izoki, he's got 1.7 million. He's better. This guy's got 1.8. Ooh, 1.2. So there's a few guys over here that are really good. So I'm going to try to make them better. I will make them better. Take that #1 spot.
They must be using data dive for sure. Yeah, can you zoom out here? Let's give a bigger picture of the battle of the titles.
Show you how it looks.
So here on this page in battle of the titles, you can actually see which keywords are used and they are hit with what kind of match by which competitor. So for example, this Tensor column R is using all those keywords that you see appearing here. The first one, gun, is an exact match. Then you have toy gun as a broad match, and so on and so forth. So we want to actually have on our own title that is going to be on the column F in the listing that we're building. We want to have more keywords, more relevant keywords to hit a higher score than our top competitor. Then in this case, it's going to be this guy, yes, Tensor. So we're going to optimize right now. We're going to show you which keywords we select, and then we're going to optimize the title, and you will see the new title that we want to use for our listing. It might be an optimization of a listing that is already there, or it might be a brand new listing that you want to create from zero. This is why this tool is very good, both for optimizing listing that you have already or for creating from scratch a new listing. Just keep in mind that if you are optimizing a listing and you're already occupying the totality of your 200 characters, do not change entirely your title, because this is going to give too much input to Amazon, and it's going to make you lose some of the ranking that you probably already have for some of the keywords. So if you already have a good title, a big title, but you want to optimize it, don't disrupt it entirely. Just take it step by step, little by little. So let's see what keywords we can add to our title right now. All right, so we have highlighted here in yellow those keywords you see here on the column C, and we're going to add them into the title because they are pretty much missing most of them right now. We're not hitting not even broad match of those keywords. So we're going to optimize the title right now, and we'll be back in 1 second, and you will see the new score. So currently we're standing at 1.1 million. Let's see how well we can do by adding those keywords. I believe we should probably pass our top competitors because we have selected a lot of keywords with very good ranking juice there. So we will see you in 1 second with the new optimized title. Wow, that exceeded the expectation, right?
Yeah, even more than I thought. I didn't know it was go that crazy. But yeah,
Yeah.
the Tower of Data Dive.
Joel, tell us your secret. What did you do?
Did a few spells, a little Harry Potter. No, I took the best keywords, got the highest rank juice. If you combine them the perfect way, you get a beautiful rank juice like that. So I added Orbi Gun for adults and kids, Gel Blaster for boys 8 to 12, Gel Blaster Gun automatic, and electric Gel Blaster Gun for birthday parties and blah blah blah. So yeah, that got me. Let's go to Battle of the Titles. Got me 8.6 million, and yeah, blew past everybody. Mr. 5 million, see ya, Tanzanar. So yeah, let me zoom out for you. But yeah, you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got more. Got the outliers.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
clear that we have also a lot more exact matches here. That's amazing. So guys, this is how you actually optimize a title. Please keep in mind, do it like this, like super duper high score if you're starting from zero. If you already have a title that is not that good in score, you don't want to entirely disrupt the title. You want to do it little by little. Maybe have a version where you're starting from and a version where you want to end, like this title, because you're going from 1 million to 8 million. That's too much. It's such a big jump. So what you want to do is you want to keep adding keywords little by little and see how your listing reacts to this. Because if you already have a sales history, disrupting entirely the title is going to be not the most ideal case for you. Right. So the next thing we're going to do is the battle of the bullets. Let's see what kind of keywords we can add here to make it better.
All right, I'll do a little quick breakdown. Usually for the first two, we like to do something emotional, something to get the customer and you want to catch their attention. So the first two bullets are really important and important for indexing. True, getting ranked. So yeah, first one, blast your way to a venture, pew, 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 get you in the mode for a little showdown with your friends, basically experience action-packed battles with the foam, gel gun, all that good stuff. And then, yeah, then I kind of go down, unleash epic foam furry. You can go, I kind of lean into the foam because it's both foam and gel, but you can interchange the keywords depending on your variation. But yeah, ultimate foam blaster, gel blaster, nonstop, more action-packed fun. And then kind of it's equipped with accurate targeting, shooting capabilities, all the hours and blah, blah, blah gameplay. And then kind of just playing around, ready, aim, fire, dominate the battlefield with your blaster, experience the thrill, da da da, without. And then I kind of went without the mess. So easy to clean, safety. You're not going to destroy your mom's house with these little gel blasters. And then, yeah, then kind of still in fun
Oh my
mode,
god.
getting ready for foam-tastic fun, or you could do gel-tastic fun, however you want to say it. The must-have
Oh my
black,
god.
crafted with durable materials, built to withstand the most intense battles, or your dumbass friends, or whatever you got. Or for adults, you got the
That's
adults
amazing.
keep your kids entertained for hours on end. Here, go play with your little toy gun. Leave me alone. Whatever, all that stuff. And
That's
then yeah,
amazing.
and then the end, epic foam battles await, conquer your friends, high power blasters. So yeah, just kind of the incitement and all the good fun you can have with these toy guns. So yeah,
I
that's
would
it.
say that's a very good way of putting the 5 bullet points. Also, as an Amazon seller, you want to be as entertaining as possible,
Yeah,
because to those customers who actually read the bullet points, you really want to be catchy. You want to catch their attention. You want to be entertaining, and you want to, unless it's a very technical kind of product, but not in this case. This is a very emotional product where and it's mostly parents buying this for their kids or for themselves, as we were saying. So
yeah.
you want to be entertaining and you want to show them that it's safe. So that's exactly what we're doing. So these are very good bullet points from a creative point of view, from a copywriting point of view. But how about the rank juice? Let's see how we're doing against our competitors.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop over to the Battle of the Bullets. Got 2 million, not bad. Some of these guys, yeah, they're low. We're killing them, killing them. Oh, yeah, he's got 1 million. Oh, he's got 3 million. He's better. He's a little bit better than us. So we're in the mix. We're not the best. We're not the worst. So yeah, we can definitely make it better. I'm going to zoom out for the keyword map. As you can see, a lot of empty space. And yeah, got a lot of keywords. So I'm going to go highlight some keywords I want to add and kind of get our rank juice to that #1 spot.
Yeah,
So,
we're gonna highlight the keywords, and then we will see you guys after we have done all the highlighting of the keywords, the selection of our keywords, and after we have put them into our bullet points, so you can see the before and after. So these are the bullet points as they're standing right now with this score of 2.1 million. Take a look at that, and we're gonna optimize them. And the next screen you're gonna see is gonna be the bullets optimized with a lot more characters and a lot more keywords, and of course, a much higher total ranking just that will help us to rank better and to give a better SEO to Amazon, to our listing. Nice. So what's our new score here?
oh yeah. 9 million.
Wow, that's a good one. That's a big one. So show us a little bit of what kind of keywords you added into those bullet points.
All right, so I added one to each of them. I added gel gun blaster for adults. Second one, toy guns for boys. Third, Orbi gun. 4, gel ball blaster gun. And 5, gel blaster gun automatic. And these all had like 200 to 300,000 rank juice. And I can even add more to get them. So I'll hop over to Battle the Bullet, show you the breakdown. Let me zoom out a little bit more. So you can kind of see here's our title. Got a lot of exacts. Here's the highlighted.
Yeah.
All that.
Yeah, and the good thing is that when you actually start adding a lot of exact match, you're gonna hit some broad in one way or another, because some of those keywords are actually related, or they look similar, or probably the broad is gonna be formed with other keywords that you're already using in the same bullet, or in the same bullet, pretty much. Yeah. So that's amazing. We have a score of 9 million. We're pretty much blasting our competitors. Yeah. So this is really good. That's perfect. That's how you optimize the bullets. You have to write very creative copy, engaging, still show the features. If it's something technical, just make sure you put all the technical details. Make sure that you show that it's safe, that it's good for your target audience, for your customer avatar, etc., etc. And you want to add the right keywords to get most of the ranking juice. So, all right. So the biggest part of the optimization is really done. I would say let's quickly take a look. Just waiting. Take a quick look at the product description. Maybe it's worth spending 2 seconds on that, and then the search terms, and I would say we were done then.
Yeah, so you can see product description. I already added my HTML just to show how you guys should have it in your back end. And yeah, I got a good rank juice, 5 million. I still have 1,400. I still got some space for more if you want to add it. But yeah, basically product description is the bullet points, but extended more. You can add more keywords. You can explain more, go into more details about the features and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, you want to move over search terms and then slide down to the right. You got got 10 million rank juice for your search terms. Yeah, right at got a few character space, but yeah, keep it right under 249 bytes and you should be good to go. But
yeah, that's it. So guys, in case you didn't know about Data Dive, or in case you've been following us and you know about Data Dive already, get it right now, because we have a discount for you. We don't know for how long this discount would be available, but it's good right now. And you can also join the Seller System Mastermind by the creators of Data Dive, where you can actually get all the insights before everyone else knows in the industry. It's a very good mastermind only for very serious sellers. So this was everything. Thank you, Joe, so much. Remember to subscribe, give us a like, comment, do all this good stuff to help us with our ranking juice to come up on the YouTube algorithm. And thank you, Joel, so much.
as always, thank you. Pleasure.
And yeah, and I will see you guys in Chiang Mai, or I will see you in the next video. Cheers.